Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about the best windows that will keep your house warm in the winter. Let's go. If you live in a colder region, a lot of times you're going to want to go with a triple pane window. They're going to be prominent in those types of areas. I got family that live in Canada and they have triple pane windows because it gets so cold. I mean, we're talking minus 20 degrees. It's so cold. I visited in November and very, very cold. Triple pane windows are gonna offer you the best, I believe, when it comes to performance against cold. Keeps the warmth inside your house because it has to go through 2 layers of dead air space, for that actually to transfer out and the cold to transfer in. So it's a wonderful system. I have found with Anlin in particular is that they will offer a dual pane window with a pyrolytic coating called Quadratherm. Now, that Quadratherm is going to be on the inside of your house. So you can go up and you can actually touch the glass on the inside of your house, and there's a coating, like I said, called Quadratherm, and what it does is it rejects the warmth from going through the glass. The same type of performances that you're gonna get with a triple pane window, you can get with a double pane window at a lesser cost. We're not gonna do a lot of that here in the Ventura County area because, I mean, the coldest it gets here is probably 45 degrees. Having a Quadratherm style of glass package on an Anlin window is gonna yield you really good performance against cold. So if you live in regions that get very cold in California, let's talk about Nevada, let's talk about Arizona, Texas, all those areas have areas where they get cold. That type of an option is going to be perfect for you. And you're gonna save yourself good money. Again, triple pane windows are wonderful and they're also great for keeping warmth in. They're amazing at that. So let's get it right out of the gate. So if you're not interested in spending extra money for the triple pane window, you may need it for those very cold regions, but if you don't live in an area that gets extreme cold, but if you want to do a dual pane window option using the I-89 or Quadratherm coatings, maybe a very, very good example of what you can do to offset the cost of a triple pane window. Hopefully this helps you guys. If you have any questions, you always put them in the comment section. Otherwise, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.